Hey there, Brock Elementary students and parents. It is Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for April 14th through the 17th. First, I just want to let you guys know that I hope you all had a wonderful and blessed 4-day Easter weekend. I know that it was hard to not be able to get together with all of our families and things like that, but I hope that you were able to find ways to celebrate in your home. So first I want to skip right to the birthdays and say a big happy birthday to all of our staff and students that are celebrating birthdays. Miss Kite and Miss Jeter, who are just amazing ladies who do so much for our kids and have such a servant heart. I wish you guys both a very happy birthday. Kyson Kemp, Avery Brennan, Hattie Wright, Brock Choate, Molly Bodecker, and Brooklyn Watson. I hope all of you guys have a wonderful birthday and find ways to celebrate your special day in this time. So a couple other things I wanted to do real quick. I wanted to go back and this video is right here as a resource, but I also wanted to point you guys in the direction of the what the district has put together as far as at-home learning resources. And so I'm going to go ahead and if you go to the Brock ISD website and then you go to District Information, Home Learning Hub, and you click there, it will take you to a bunch of different resources. The Khajiit Smart Spot tutorial, that is a YouTube video of how to get your hotspot connected if you got one from the district. And then in this Home Learning Hub, you've got all kinds of different tools and things like that from each campus that you can go through here. But I wanted to let you guys know that that is here and you can get specific information for this at-home learning experience there. So just make sure to check that out if you have any questions. I think that is about it for now. I hope that you guys all have a fantastic week. Please know that we are working every day to try to make this good for you guys, as good as possible, and we're definitely constantly making adjustments and working to be flexible to serve the different needs of our kids in the district. So just know that that's what our constant goal is. And so I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, and I hope you all have a great week. Go Eagles!